What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. This is the Hardy Gardening channel. I just want to do a quick introduction video on what I'm going to be doing on this channel. So the main focus is going to be just gardening in general. That's what I love to do, so I want to share my journey with that and learn along with everybody else. I'm no expert at gardening. I'm no expert at making videos. These are my first videos I've ever made, so if you enjoy the content or you got any tips or anything for me, please let me know down in the comments. I live in Zone 4 Canada, so we have a pretty long winter and a short growing season. So during the winter we're going to be growing things indoors. Right now I got mostly doing hydroponics indoors, but in the next month or so, month or two probably, we're going to be doing some seed starting, getting everything ready and growing to bring outside. We got to start things early here, a lot earlier than a lot of other climates, because we just don't have that long of a growing season. So something I love to grow, my favorite thing to grow and my favorite thing to eat is peppers. So indoors we're going to be doing a lot of peppers. Maybe in the future we'll be doing I'll try some tomatoes. I was thinking of trying some strawberries indoors. Might be cool in hydroponics. For the seed starting, we're going to be starting our seeds in soil. Some of the hydroponics I'm going to transplant into soil in the spring and bring them outside. So we have a short growing season, only from about probably get our plants out at the end of May if we're lucky. At the start of June, I think this year I got my plants out. And also, if we're lucky, our growing season will go into the end of October. This year we had snow early in September, so the season ended really early this year. A lot of my peppers didn't do as good as I hoped, and some of my other plants didn't do as good as I hoped they would, but we'll learn from that mistake, and I'm going to start some of those earlier indoors in this winter. So on this channel I want to show that you don't need a lot of space to grow a lot of food. I got tons of tomatoes last year. I grew so many pepper plants and got decent harvests on some of them. Some of them definitely needed to be started earlier, especially the hot peppers. I had tomatoes, peas, carrots, beans. I got some fruits growing. I got a lot of berries. I got some fruit trees that are going to take a few years to get going. But we're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you some cheap, easy ways to grow things, even if you don't have a yard, you're in an apartment, you just want to grow anything. There's a lot of ways you can do it. And as for starting seeds indoors, you also don't need a lot of space for that. Last year I started on this shelf, not in the grow tent. I had it wrapped in emergency blanket, and I bought some really cheap lights. These were only like $60 for a pair on Amazon, and those worked great for me. I started a whole lot of trays on this one small shelf, just wrapped in that with a cheap fan blowing on it. So we'll show you that. I got some pictures of that, so I can post those in a later video. But yeah, we're just going to be doing some urban gardening here for a short climate people. If you don't have a short climate, you're in a warmer place, some of this could be beneficial to you as well. So if that's something any of you want to see, then stick around for the journey. Feel free to like the video and subscribe if you want to come along with me, and let's grow some things together.